Hey there, it's Dr. Heyer from Holistic Health. Do you find that you buy TP in bulk, not just because it's cheaper, but because you run through it so fast like a rapper at the club spending singles? Do you find that whenever you go out, or you actually avoid going out because you just can't trust your tummy to behave because you may have to make an emergency run to the bathroom? Do you keep an extra pair of underwear in your glove box or your briefcase or your book bag because accidents do happen? If that's you, loose stools, diarrhea, gut dysfunction, bubble guts is a real issue. I know. I had that issue when I was a teenager, but through natural approaches from a doctor, they helped me reset my gut and get me back to normal. And if it sounds like you or sounds like someone you know, you need to click below and get our free Ultimate Gut Health Guide Reset and learn some ways on how you can help reset your gut.